is to turn on the key. Then the green one is for turn on the machine, the red one is for turn off the machine. You push OK. Then wait for about 1 minute. On the screen when the open to close, then you can start work. Then I can show you the functions of different buttons. Here is for turn on, here is for turn off. For this is like for up and down, is to choose different ones. And for like the frequency, if you turn left and right, you turn left. Is to go up and down for the number. Another one. Here are also two buttons. This green one is for the lights. You can see for the lights. For the right one is for the laser spot. You can see the red laser spot. You can see here are three buttons to move. It's to change the position. This is to change the red. Yeah, you can see red spot is moving. To change the spot position of the spot, to change it to the center of the crossing. You can on my scroll you can see the crossing. This is for positioning. Okay. This gas is for sometimes when you want to weld stainless steel. This can be used for anti-oxidation. Here, now we can change a little. For the current, normally we use is 120. For the rods normally is 4 to 6. Frequency normally is, and for laser spot laser welding is normally 1. If you want to weld a line, normally is 4. Now we only choose one, okay? No need to push OK to save. It saved automatically. This is foot switch. Now you can stamp. Oops, you can see. You can see here is this button. You can move to change the size of the spot, and size of the spot, because the larger maybe the bigger the size of the spot, the smaller the energy of the little spot. Yeah, this can change. You can have a try according to your machine. Okay. For the microscope, this can change some here. Can change some focal length. Now we can turn off the machine. When turn off the machine, you need to choose to push here. To choose close, then push OK. When close, change to open. Then you can turn. Then you can turn on this. Turn on here. Okay, wait a minute. Now it's open. Then this is turned off. Then we can turn off the machine. This is for emergency stop. For the water tank, normally we set before delivery, so you need to change some letters or numbers on this.